Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. First you're going to need glue, you're going to need activator, you're going to need a bowl and a spoon. And for kneading, I'm doing it on a plate. So first you're going to dump your glue into the container and take your mixing bowl out. Oh. There's a lot of glue. And I mixed white glue into clear glue, and it was still Elmer's, so and that's why mine's gonna be like clearish, whitish. Oh.
Bye, Sissy. No,
Bye.
That's not the way to night-night. No.
Bye, Colton.
Goodbye to Sissy.
That dropped.
Come here. Good job.
And then when you finish with your glue, you're gonna add a bit of activator. Mine keeps doing that. You're gonna add a bit of your activator. Okay, and like it should be like that. Like that. And then you're gonna start mixing it. And actually, let's put it on our plate so it doesn't get into a bigger mess. And then you will see it's starting to turn into slime. And when you're done with that, just add a tiny bit more activator. And actually, my spoon just fell into it. So now my hand is a mess. And it should start coming together. But you don't want to deactivate it. It's starting to form into slime and it's a bit sticky. So just keep stirring. And keep it adding activator. But don't add too much. And then it should start becoming together like this. And it's starting to get sticky. So, yeah. Oop. The spoon fell in again. And it should start just be forming into like a little ball, like that. Oh, some of the glue just poured out. Make sure you like and subscribe after this, and make sure you try this if your parents allow you. But make sure you ask them first.
What's up, kiddo?
Nothing.
What you got?
I'm making slime for my YouTube channel.
Oh boy.
And then the spoon fell in like 100 times. So now my hands are a bit sticky. it's very sticky.
Looks messy.
Mm-hmm. Now we can dump this out onto a plate. For now. And then put the bowl aside. And then we have slime. But keep adding activator while you're kneading it. And then take the spoon out and just like mix it a bit with the spoon. Like on the plate a tiny bit. And then put it in the bowl. And then start kneading it. Ah!
Uh-oh.
And then just keep kneading with your hands. And then it will get less sticky when you keep kneading. It dripped all over my legs. And if you want, you can add glitter to the slime and food coloring to the slime when you're done. And then just keep mixing it, guys, okay? Just keep kneading. I'm making slime. Okay, it's a bit of a big mess. It dripped on my legs, the glue. Don't worry, I'm cleaning it up after. as much glue as you add that's the amount of slime you get. Shampoo and baking soda also work. So, if you guys want to try that one. And there you have it, slime.